Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar languished against the euro and Swiss franc as markets weighed the prospect of a ballooning US government deficit and the potential for trade deals with major trading partners. Sterling was on track for its biggest quarterly rise against the dollar in more than 2 years on Monday, aided by weakness in the dollar across the board and optimism over a trade deal between the United States and Britain. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq reached new record closing highs, capping their best quarter in over a year, as hopes for trade deals and possible rate cuts eased investor uncertainty. Both indexes ended the quarter with double-digit gains.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.